Well, it's been 4 years since we started talking about having the World Vision Step into Africa experience to come to Cedar Valley, and it's finally here. It's just good.
It's a very moving experience, and I pray that the Lord will take care of all these children, and hopefully we can get this thing under control.
The stories were very powerful. As you were sitting in the clinic waiting to hear whether you were one with AIDS, it really just kind of brought it all home. And then afterwards, I went through and I was looking at the walls, and I had gone to Malawi, and I didn't know any country or any organization sponsored kids in Malawi, and when I saw that they did sponsor kids in Malawi, I got really excited, and I just really knew that the Lord was laying on my heart that I needed to sponsor a child now.
I think as soon as I got stamped that I was HIV positive, like it kind of rocked my world, and I just, they ask you to sit down, and you just kind of sit there.
It opened my eyes to things I knew about, but I didn't think it was that bad, and now all I really want to do is just go there and help them as much as I can.
The experience was really good. It impacted me very much because it reminded me of home, growing up in Africa. So this took me back home, and I could feel what the little girl was going through.
It's a heavy dose of realism that really carries a huge impact, a life-changing impact.
I think it's so easy for us to forget that this is going on in the world, and especially focused in Africa. And so it was really important for me to look at the faces of kids who look very much like my own kids, and to realize that there are things we can actually do to help them, to heal them, to bring hope to them, and to live out the call of Jesus.
We got this group of like 12 little boys, and they're all excited about getting to wear all these iPods. But then the really cool thing to see was in the prayer room at the end, where all these 8 little kids are on the ground writing a prayer to these other little kids that they can identify with, that they're their same age. And I think that was just really cool to see how God's able to use this to bring Africa to here.
I think God shows us experiences like this to be able to help those in need. We just got to be willing to listen, and this was an experience that showed me time to listen.